This is feedback for Farah on her WR1. So first of all, let's make sure that we don't use these first three numbers of the ID. I think this is fine. You don't need to worry about that. This is a causes essay. You go into your essay, you start off straight away, and this is like almost like a topic sentence, right? It's the causes of people that like private hospitals. I mean, your thesis. Thesis should be at the end of your paragraph, okay? And if that means if your paper is about causes, then you can have no causes in your intro, okay? So you can talk about the effects, that'll be fine. Also, in your intro, you should also do things like talk about contradictions, for example, or contrasts, I'm sorry. Like what do the government hospitals, what are they like, right? Or the effects of going to the government hospital or something like that. ACA, that means academic, right? So we're not supposed to use I or we or us in the essay. So you need to change that. We need to have a nice, good thesis here. It needs to be only effects in the intro. And looking at the body, paragraph 1, you need to have a clear topic sentence. This is not a topic sentence. It needs to say something like, the first reason why people prefer hospitals is blank, right? You need to have examples in here. Tell me why. There's a lot of errors here, and you need to make these changes and really improve your writing, because this is looking like it's going to fail. Just reality. You should have a concluding sentence at the end. Tell us why. Tell us how. These are things that you should explain in the essay, just like I did in the example with the point, support, and transitions. Again, not a clear topic sentence here. All the information here is like stuff that goes in the intro, right? So this is stuff that you should be having in the intro. It shouldn't be a body paragraph. So you need to looking at your last paragraph, there's no conclusion here. You should be like, in conclusion, and restate your thesis. And again, this is all like body stuff here. This is stuff that, these are points that go in the body and not really concluding comments. So you have a lot of work to do. Please make the changes and upload into port 1 of week 7. Upload it here. All right.